my channel. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of the Daily Goodie box for the month of July. If you haven't already seen my videos, it's a free subscription box that you get free samples. Most of them are full size, or they're big enough that you're actually going to make a conclusive decision if you like this item, the product, or you do not like them. Down in the description box will be the link to every single item that the box includes. If you like a certain item in particular, you can go and click that link, and also the link to the dailygoodiebox.com, where you can find the website and sign up for yourself. The link is not affiliated. I don't get no benefit out of it. I'm just giving you a quick and easy way for you to find them. They did send this for free but you also will get it for free, so it makes no difference. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel, and if you already did, thank you very much. Click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video, and click the little like button if you like this kind of unboxing. Today we have Luna with us. She always likes to be on the unboxings of the Daily Goodie box, remember?
And Peter Pop.
And she's eating her Peter Pop. This Daily Goodie box comes in a priority mailbox, but they always come like this at the very top. It has your little card here, which it says that all the samples are free. Check your profile and then review it. All of this is in return of a review. Let's get to looking. You know that I like to be surprised. Ooh, the first one is a gluten-free granola with fruits and nuts made with two Asian grains. Cranberry, almond, maple flavor. Look at this.
I want to taste
This is the little baggie. This is a good size that you can actually taste. This is granola, gluten-free happiness.
Can you taste it?
Ah, look at that. Looks like cornflakes almost inside of the bag. Look at that. It almost looks like chips. Let's get a cranberry, a walnut, and one of these.
I wanna hold the bag.
It's pretty good. Yummy. The next thing. Oh wow. It's a big box of, it's called Tipson. Let's see. Tipson organic matcha tea infusion, turmeric and passion fruit. 25 enveloped tea bags of passion fruit, turnip, and matcha. I don't know if you're gonna look in between the you can see the little envelopes, individual envelopes with this tea. That's very interesting. This is a full-size product, which is nice. The next thing here is this other baggie. This is Spudsy sweet potato puffs, crunchy cinnamon, made with a blend of rice, flour, pea protein, and sweet potato. What? Look at that. Use code SPUDTOUR to get 10% off your Amazon purchase. Look at this. Now this one, it is a very small sample. It says save the spot. And let's see. Let's open it. I like sweet potato. And sweet potato fries are good. Oh, look at that. They're like, it almost look like churros because it says cinnamon.
I wanna taste it.
Look at this.
Let me taste it. I want it, please.
They're delicious. Oh my gosh, they are. They almost taste like cinnamon buns. Okay, the next thing here. Yes, we love Band-Aids. We're like the house of the Band-Aids. CURAD Quick Stop Flex Fabric Bandage. Help stop minor bleeding super fast. Ideal for persistent or recurring blending. It has 30 bandages. So look at this. This is a sample, and it's a full-size sample. 30 of them. 30 of the, it's trying to focus on Luna. 30 of the naturally derived blood stopping agent. It helps stop blood bleeding. Non-sticky pad helps prevent sticky to one side, and flexible non-woven material designed to move with you. So it's like a flexi, like fabric CURAD Band-Aids, and it has from like regular size and a bit smaller size. Isn't that neat? Look at this. These are the smaller size, and then there's the regular bigger size. This is nice. I like this. I like the size, the smaller size, because Luna sometimes gets tiny little scratches, and the Band-Aids are super big. So that's very nice. I love CURAD. Dropped it. Now we got Napz. All natural short-term sleep aid. Wake up refresh. Now these I have tasted before. Daily Goodie Box have sent this sample before, and I think it does help. I didn't continue drinking it because I work during the night. I work from 2 to 5 a.m. So I can't take these because I will like automatically fall asleep. During the day I cannot sleep because I take care of my 2 daughters. So but I do, they are nice. They are non-habit forming, drug-free naps. When you want to take a little nap, this is really good. Napz. And this is a whole full-size sample. Like I told you, Daily Goodie Box sends you the full size for you to sample and actually like test now if it works. Next thing here. Okay, now is this the Pristine Protocol Essential Oxygen BR Rinse, dentist recommended organic brush and rinse, and whiter teeth, fresher breath, peppermint. And this is 1 rinse, 2 brush, 3 polish. It's just like a mouthwash, and it's completely sealed, so you can see it's not like. Before on the June box, they send a toothbrush, not a toothbrush, a toothpaste, which was organic. Oh my god, I love the toothpaste. It's so refreshing, and this looks like it's going to be the same. And sexual oxygen rinse, and the peppermint is right there. No GMOs, really nice. It's a little travel size rinse, which is good. You can still taste. This is a mouth rinse. You can. Okay, the next things are actually, and this will be the last things, are these foil sample size. Now these are samples that are foil sample size, but they're good enough that you can actually test. There are 2 of the Bella, 2 of them of the Bella. I'm trying to focus right here. 2 of the Bella Professional Detoxifying Intense Black Peel-Off Mask, and they included 2. This is nice. Peel-off mask, you can like test, see the first 2 that you really like it or not, and then toss it or buy it. And then 2 of these, and then these are the Ode to Clean 1 Awesome Cleaning Wipe powered by Bioperoxide, and this is an awesome cleaning wipe and juice made 100% from plants for daily hard surface cleaning at home, on the go, and skin friendly. Oh, I thought it was for your face. I guess like that. This is just for cleaning wipes, like when you go to maybe a McDonald's, a restaurant, and you wanna clean it really fast, and maybe the shopping cart. These are nice to have when they're like sample size, and these foil things. I don't know if you would get them like this if you will buy the actual product, but this is nice. It says no, it's cruelty free, it's safer choice, USDA certified, and also certified for the Rainforest Alliance. What? And if you use Goodie20, stop Luna, Goodie20 at autotoclean.com, you get 20% off. Look at this. Look, I'll share my code with you guys right there. AutoClean to get 20% off. I guess this time they didn't send infomercials. They usually send a little packet of like little flyers to tell you about more about the products, but not this time. But it comes a little bit less of an items this time around, but they did send full-size items. The mask, I really like when they send masks. I like to try out different things to test out on my skin. The wipes are nice. The pills to take naps are also, I recommend. I'm interested about the peppermint mouthwash, totally natural and organic. Nice. The granola is super good. Do the gluten-free granola. Super nice. But I gotta tell you, the sweet potato puffs, delicious. Super nice. See, somebody's taking it away. But I gotta tell you, the Tipson matcha, I'm gonna try. I'm not so fond of matcha or turnip, but I do like dragon fruit. So I'm gonna give it a try. Tipson organic matcha tea infused, 25 envelopes. It's like good. You already get your bargain out of these with that tea.
I'm done.
CURAD, quick stop leading control technology, has to be my favorite out of the non-eatables. And she already finished them. The sweet potato puffs from Spudsy. Hopefully that's an ID. Spudsy.
I want any cream, Mom.
Delicious. Delicious. Yeah. Well, that is all that we got on our daily goodie box for the month of July. Remember, down in the description box you will find all the information all the information you need about every single item in this box and how to get your box for free at your home, delivered every time there is a new one. If you haven't done so already, like I told you, subscribe, and if you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time on another video. Goodbye.